Good news, everyone. Today I'm going to change the oil in RV. My RV is a Coachman Freelander 21QB, but it's built on the Ford E350 chassis. So this is specific for the Ford E350 chassis. Before we actually look underneath and start changing the oil, let's look under the hood. So from the passenger side, you have the windshield wiper fluid, the oil fill, the transmission fluid check. Down here, you have the oil check, the yellow handle, and you have the power steering fluid, the brake fluid, and the coolant. So these are some of the things you'll need in order to change your oil. You'll need the oil. It says it takes 6.5 quarts, so here's 6 quarts plus 1. You'll need a wrench with a 5/8 inch socket on it. That's to remove the oil plug. You'll need a oil filter socket. You'll need the oil filter. You'll need some rags. You'll need the funnel and the oil pan. Now that we looked under the hood, let's go change the oil. Okay, now that we're down here, here's the oil plug, and over here is the oil filter. First we'll take off the oil plug and let the oil drain. So I had to get a different wrench for the oil filter that's on there. So I got the wrench, we'll put it on, and we'll take the filter off. Now that we remove the oil plug and also the filter, we'll let it drain and come back in a few. Okay, the oil should be drained, so let's put the plug back in and put the filter on. Okay, so let's put the plug back in. Make sure when you put it in, you don't thread it. All right, and we'll put the filter on. We'll tighten the filter up a little bit. And then we will tighten the plug up a little bit. Now that the oil's drained, the plug is in, the filter's on, we'll add new oil. Okay, well the next step is to add oil. The plugs are in, the filter's on, and oil's going in. I decided to use the box oil since it was 6 quarts. Since I needed 6.5, so I figured instead of buying different bottles, having to open each bottle individually, I have this one box. Sort of like box wine too. Now we'll add about half of this. Then we'll check it. So checking the oil is really easy. Get up here and pull this. Make sure it's all nice and clean. You can see the 2 little notches. One's a min, one's a max. And we put it back in. And pull it out. And we're right at the max. So we're So the last thing that's left is actually to clean up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you pointers on how to actually change your own oil. Thanks for watching. Remember, life is short. Take more detours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.